Namaskar, I am Prashamsha Manandhar. I study in grade 8 and I am from Kathmandu University High School. So today I'm going to be doing a science experiment on the basis of pressure. So for this experiment we need a glass and water that could fill up this glass and a cardboard piece. So the next thing we do is we need to fill the glass with the water. Right? Oh no, it's filling. Then we need to take the cardboard piece and we need to just cover it. Then we are going to flip it and then you're just gonna leave it. So you can see the water isn't dripping down or the cardboard isn't falling. This is because the atmospheric pressure holds the water up and this is it. Thank you. Bye.